Hello everyone. In this video we will briefly touch on simple aspects of programming interactively. We will go hands-on with Python interactive cell. So let's open command prompt. Now if you don't know what command prompt is, then it's a simple environment where you can type a bunch of commands and those will be executed by the computer's hardware. You can open command prompt just by searching for CMD in Windows and you will come across this command prompt. Just press on that and you will start the command prompt. To open Python interactive cell, just type Python and hit enter and that will start the interactive cell. This is where you can type simple Python commands and Python will execute those commands. So let's start with simple mathematics. Let's try 1 plus 1 and hit enter and we get back 2. Let's try 4 plus 5 and we got 9. Let's try subtraction, 5 minus 4, and that seems to work as well. For multiplication we use this asterisk sign. So let's do 2 multiplied by 3 and we get back 6. Let's also do division, 4 divided by 2 and we get back 2. Now the spaces around these characters are not important. You can have as many spaces as you want and it won't have any problem with it. Usually single space is good for clear visibility. So we can do normal mathematics. Can we compare two numbers? Let's try. Is 3 greater than 2? And it gives true. In English we use yes or no, but in programming languages it's called true and false. Let's try one more. 2 less than 1 and we get back false. Let's try printing something to the console. So we can type print hello and it will print the word hello in the console. Print is actually something called function in Python. In real life we might have seen that when we click on phone number from our cell phone, it may call a person. Similarly, print is a function which prints something in the console. What it prints is given to it as arguments inside this pair of parentheses. We will go through functions and learn a lot more about them in one of our later videos. We can also print a number like print 2 and you can see this time I didn't use double quotes around the number 2. It's because this one is integer data type. And earlier the word hello was string data type. In programming we have different data types and we are going to see some of the primitive data types in the next video. Let's close this interactive cell using another Python function, exit, press enter and that closes the Python interactive cell. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.